Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your WhatsApp or how to unblock someone in WhatsApp. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your WhatsApp application, and for example, I would like to block this person. So how you can block this person? You have to open his name and then scroll all the way down, and you're going to find here his name, and which there is something writing block. So if you click here block, that will give you a pop-up. Do you like to block this person? So if I click block, so from now if he is sending any messages to me, I am not going to be received. Also we'll see they citing you block this contact, tap to unblock, and you're going to back. Now you can see I had successfully blocked this contact. So if you decide to unblock, you can again open his name, go to his profile, scroll all the way down, and we will find there is something right unblock. So if we click unblock, that person going to be unblocked from WhatsApp. So this is simple way you can easily block or unblock someone in your WhatsApp. Also you might be looking for, you might be very previously blocked someone and their name is not here or etc, and you would like to unblock them. So for that you need to click on this setting, and then you need to click here privacy, and then you need to click here block, and you will see all your blocked contact. If you decide to unblock, you can simply open that person and scroll all the way down, and you can simply unblock them. So within this simple way, you can easily block or unblock someone in your WhatsApp account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.